In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the WordPress admin bar for non-admins, creating a more streamlined experience for your users. If you've been looking to tidy up the user interface for your site visitors or registered users who don't need access to admin functions, you're in the right place. We'll achieve this with a simple plugin that automates the process, making it hassle-free and straightforward. To get started, you're going to want to log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar, which holds all your navigation options. You'll want to find and click on Plugins, and then, in the drop-down menu that appears, select Add New. This action will take you to the WordPress plugin directory, where thousands of plugins are available to help you customize and optimize your website. The plugin we're going to use today is called Hide Admin Bar from Non-Admins. So, once you're in the Add Plugins section, you'll notice a search bar on the top right corner of the page. Simply type in Hide Admin Bar from Non-Admins and hit Enter. This will pull up the plugin we're looking for, along with some similar plugins. Make sure you're selecting the correct one. Knowing that your search was successful, you'll see the plugin listed, often with the number of active installations and user ratings, which can give you confidence about its functionality and reliability. Once you've located it, you'll see an Install Now button. Go ahead and click that. This action starts the installation process, which usually only takes a few seconds to complete. Once the plugin is successfully installed, the button you just clicked will change to say Activate. In order for the plugin to start working and its settings to be applied to your site, you need to click Activate. This action turns on the plugin features right away, so as soon as it's activated, non-admin users will no longer see the WordPress admin bar when they're logged in. And there you have it. By installing and activating the Hide Admin Bar from Non-Admins plugin, you've effectively disabled the WordPress admin bar for all non-admin users on your site. This will help to declutter their interface and direct their focus to more relevant parts of your site, enhancing their user experience. Remember, if you ever need to make changes or decide to re-enable the admin bar, you can manage your plugins from the WordPress dashboard at any time. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to check out more of our videos for other tips and tricks on managing your WordPress site. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future updates. See you next time.